children, this is the second math class for today. I hope you have understood whatever we have done in the last class. So children, we are doing multiplication, in which I have taught you the multiplication sum step by step. Here I am explaining you again that first you have to multiply the given number in the ones position. For example, 8 5s are 40, and 4 you will add it with the multiple of 6 and 8. So 4 you will place it in the tens position. Then after 6 8s are 48 plus 4 equals to 52. This I have already explained to you in earlier class also, children. So let us see what we are going to do in today's class. In today's class, we will do chapter 4 or unit 4, multiplication, page number 44. So there is a word problems in page number 44, children. We have to solve the given word problems. Okay, so first you need to understand the statement very nicely, and you need to understand what you need to find from the statement. You need to understand the question first. So let me read out number A. Ritu needs 5 stamps per letter. How many stamps should Ritu buy if she has 48 letters to post? So it is said that Ritu needs 5 stamps per letter. Means for one letter Ritu needs 5 stamps. So she has to post how many letters? She has to post 48 letters. So 48, you will multiply it with 5. So what will be the answer? 8 5s are 40, 4 I will write here, and 0 I will write here. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 240. Let me write it with little bit small handwriting, children, because it is not fitting. So I am writing it again. We need to find the stamps for 48 letters. So we will multiply 48 with 5, because for each letter you need 5 stamps, right? So 48 into 5, 8 5s are 40, 4 I will write here, and 0 I will write here. 8 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 240. So how many stamps does Ritu needs? Ritu needs 240 stamps. So here you will write stamps, S-T-A-M-P-S, stamps. Okay. So children, next, a packet of chips cost 20 rupees, rupees 20. A shopkeeper buys 150 packets of chips. How much does he pay? He have to pay in all. So a packet of chips is rupees 40. So we have to find for 150 packets. So 150 into 20. Yes. So 150 into 20, there is 2-step multiplication. So let me write it very small with very small handwriting. 150 into 20. 0 0s are 0, 0 5s are 0, and 0 1s are 0. Next step, 2 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 I will write here, and 0 I will write here. Yes, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3000 packets. So you will write the answer, children, 3000 packets. So children, I have written the answer directly. You have seen how I have multiplied. Now next question number 3. There are 48 trees in a row. How many trees are there in 26 rows? So let us do it in a rough page. So there are 48 trees in one row. So you have to find how many trees are there in 26 rows. So 6 8s are 48. 8 I will write here. 4 I will write here. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 is 28 into 8 2s are This is cross. You have to put a cross for 2 steps multiplication. 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 I will add here, and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So my answer is, now you have to do the sums. This is a 2-step multiplication, children. You have to do the sums. 8, this will be considered as 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 I will write here. 1 I will write here. 9 plus 1 is 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 1248. There are 1248 trees. So what you will write? You will write the answer here. This you will do in the rough portion. 48 into 26 equals to 1248. So let me show you all the answers once again. So the first answer is 240 stamps, second is 3000, and the third one is 1248. Now children, let us see number D. 54 students of a class gave 108 each for food relief fund. How much money did they collect? So there are 54 students and each student is giving 108 rupees. So you have to find the total amount of money. So let us do a rough here. 108 into 54, right? Yes, 108 into 5, 4, 54. So this is also a 2-step multiplication, children. First you will multiply 4 and 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 I will write here. 2 I will write here. 4 zeros are 0 plus 3. 3. 4 1s are 4. 5 8s are 40. 0 I will write here. 4 I will add here. 5 zeros are 0 again, plus 4 is 4. 5 1s are 5. Now you have done 2 steps multiplication. Now you have to add it. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 5 is 5. So 5832. So let me write the answer. 108 into 54 equals to 5482. So you will write in the same manner 5832. Sorry, 5832. Equals to 5832. Okay, children. So E, F, G. Okay, E I will do for you. F and G will be your homework. Okay. So a fruit seller has 42 boxes. Each box has 15 strawberries. How many strawberries are there in all boxes? So 42 boxes are there, and in each box there are 15 strawberries. So you have to find the total number of strawberries. So we will multiply 42 with 15. So let us do it in the rough work. Please take out your rough copy. For this 15, 5 2s are 10, 1 I will write here, 0 I will write here, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21 into, now we will multiply thoroughly with 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. So the answer is 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 1 3, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So my answer is 630. So here I will write how many strawberries are there in all. There are 630 strawberries. So children, hope whatever we have done till here is clear to you all. We have done double steps multiplication also. So last two is your homework, F and G. Okay, let me show you again the answer for first one. You have to multiply 48 with 5 is 240 stamps. Next one, 150 into 20 is 3000. Next 48 into 26 equals to 1248. Next 108 into 54 equals to 5832. 42 into 15 equals to 630. So children, I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.